Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into something that redefines what it means to live in luxury. Not in a mansion, not in a penthouse, but in a motorhome. And not just any motorhome. This is the 2025 Prevost Liberty Coach, a 4 million rolling supersuite that's more luxurious than most homes, and easily one of the most exclusive RVs ever made. From the very first glance, the exterior tells you this isn't your average RV. With sleek, aerodynamic bodywork, high-end paintwork, and integrated lighting, it looks more like a private tour bus for a rock star than a recreational vehicle. But that's just the beginning. The real magic happens the moment those automatic doors slide open. And trust me, you won't believe what's inside. Stepping into the Liberty Coach, you're greeted with a space that feels like a luxury condo on wheels. Every detail is handcrafted, custom-built, and obsessively refined. The living area features Italian leather couches, heated tile floors, and exotic hardwood cabinetry. Touchscreen panels are built into the walls to control everything, from lighting and blinds to temperature and entertainment. The ambient lighting sets the perfect mood, whether you're relaxing in the evening or entertaining guests on the road. Massive windows provide panoramic views, and thanks to Prevost's high-end insulation, you're in total peace and silence, even when parked in busy areas. Now let's talk kitchen, and yes, this is a fully functional, residential-grade kitchen. It includes quartz countertops, induction cooktops, a convection oven, a residential fridge with an ice maker, and even a built-in dishwasher, something you rarely see in motorhomes. There's also a full pantry, soft-close drawers, and a wine cooler that keeps your favorite bottles perfectly chilled during long drives. Moving back, we enter the super suite. This is the kind of bedroom you'd expect in a 10,000 night hotel. A full king-size bed with high-end linens, automatic blinds, full walk-in wardrobe space, and personalized lighting presets right by the bedside. The room is equipped with a private sound system, smart TVs, and even a skylight with dimmable glass. Yes, you can adjust how much sunlight comes through at the touch of a button. And then, the bathroom. This isn't just a bathroom, it's a spa on wheels. A spacious, full-size glass shower with multiple body jets and rainfall heads, designer fixtures, real marble finishes, heated flooring. And yes, a built-in washer and dryer combo unit. You can live on the road for months and never miss a single comfort of home. But luxury doesn't stop at the interior. The exterior setup includes built-in outdoor entertainment zones with a massive drop-down TV, high-end speakers, motorized awnings, and custom LED lighting for the perfect outdoor lounge experience. You can pull up to any destination and instantly create a luxury patio wherever you are. Underneath it all is the legendary Prevost chassis, known for its unmatched durability, smooth ride, and elite suspension system. This coach floats down highways with absolute grace. It's quiet, smooth, and powerful, a true engineering masterpiece. Every Liberty Coach is hand-built and made to order, meaning no two are exactly alike. From finishes to floor plans, everything is customized for the buyer. That's why celebrities, CEOs, and ultra-wealthy RV enthusiasts choose Liberty Coach, because it's not just transportation, it's a statement. So, now that you've seen inside this 4 million mansion on wheels, let me ask you, if money wasn't a problem, would you live in one of these? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more ultra-luxury reviews, and drop a comment below telling us your favorite feature of the Liberty Coach. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious, stay bold, and drive in luxury.